Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the see-through browser on Windows. First thing we want to do is go into the Microsoft Store and look up Platinum Browser. And you'll see the first result there is the Platinum Browser. And as you can see in the screenshots here, you can actually see through the browser. Tap the install button and you will have this window. Now all you need to do is tap on the three lines in the top right corner, tap on Settings, Appearance, and tap Enable Full Blur and tap Acrylic. Now tap the three lines over here and just tap the Restart button. And look at this. It's actually see-through. If I change my wallpaper, you'll still be able to see the blur. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the subscribe button underneath.